Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable comments on your post on the Facebook app. So if you're running iOS or Android and you have the Facebook app, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to make that modification to the settings. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up your Facebook profile and select the profile icon in the top right. Go down and select Settings and Privacy, and then select the Settings button. And now you want to scroll down underneath Audience and Visibility, and you want to select where it says Followers and Public Content. Go ahead and select that. Where it says Who can comment on your public post, you can click inside of here. You can adjust Public, Friends of Friends, or Friends, whatever your preference is on that. So there you go, guys. Pretty straightforward process on that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.